Hello everyone, welcome back to your own YouTube channel LMH Education. In this video, we are going to discuss activity of class 9th. Activity number is 37, English subject of bridge course. So let us start the video. Activity 37, interview people, learning outcomes, competency statements. Interviews people by asking questions based on their profession. Objectives: to help learners to learn and know more about people's profession, encourage the learners to frame simple and short questions, develop intonation and tone of learner, use appropriate vocabulary, use language very politely, more exposure to language. Instruction for teachers and parents. Facilitators: form a pair of two students, encourage them to ask question and answer it in proper tone. Encourage them to frame a question short and sweet. Make the learners aware to use proper vocabulary. Instruction for students: frame short questions related to the profession. Use language moderately. Keep proper sequence of the question. Begin and end the interview properly. Frame 10 questions and ask politely. Learning activity: student is going to take an interview of famous writer Chetan Bhagat. He follows above steps in it. Welcome the writer. Ask 10 questions. Proper conclusion with thanking words. What was your motivation to take up writing as a career? 2. What novels have you written up to the date? 3. Sir, you changed the trend of novel and made them sort of around 110 to 120 pages. What is your idea behind this? 4. Which of your novels are adapted for the movie? 5. What difficulties did you face initially in this profession? 6. Which novels are you working presently on? Where do you get idea, themes of novels from? 8. Which awards have you received for your work till the date? 9. You have presented different youth accepting challenges in life. He is charged with positivity and energy. What message would you like to offer to young generation of India? 10. What would be your message for upcoming writers? Conclusion. Sir, it's our pleasure that you are here and shared valuable opinions. We are inspired by the way you have shown to our youngsters. We are very grateful to you and wish you success in your future work. Thank you very much for being here. Solve the activity. Demo. Student, what was your motivation to take up writing as a career? Chetan Bhagat. See, initially I was fond of writing short pieces. Later I went in banking, but it did not interest me at all. I always felt that I was not made up for that profession. It never presented me thrill life. So I decided to turn back to writing, which always interested me. It gave me opportunity to show my talent by exchanging my ideas with youngsters, and it worked by the grace of God. Practice. 1. Encourage learners to take interview of bank officer residing in their area. Number 2. Ask student to prepare 10 to 15 questions about his work and career. Number 1. What was your motivation to take up banking as a career? What difficulties did you face initially in this profession? What do you think makes you a good bank officer? How would your previous employees rate you as a manager or supervisor? Which awards have you received for your work till the date? How do you feel about having to discipline your employees? Describe a conflict you had with one of your colleagues and how you resolved it. What are the top priorities of a bank officer? How would you manage a company that is behind on its loan payments? What message would you like to offer to young generation of India? Make students aware of using parliamentary language. Ask students to talk to their parent about their profession and career. Extension activity. Take interview of your favorite teacher and ask him questions about his profession and career. What inspired you to be a teacher? Number 1. Question 2. Have you ever thought about a different career? If so, what? Question 3. How many years of college did you need to go through? Question 4. What is the best part about your job? Question 5. What is the worst part of your job? Question 6. What do you hope to achieve by being a teacher? Question 7. Did you want this career as a kid? Why or why not? Question 8. What were your childhood dreams? Question 9. Do you feel that you have had an impact on the students that you have taught? If so, in what way? Question 10. Have you ever been a mentor to someone? If so, who? Question 11. Are you happy so far with what you have achieved as being a teacher? Evaluation. Observation of students' use of language and vocabulary. Observation of students' attitude and positivity. Observation of students' question framing and accuracy. So, students, thank you very much for watching. If you like the video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much once again.